up, guys? It's Kevin with K-Squared Fitness. Today I'm breaking down the dead bug, the thing you need to master first so you can prevent back pain. All right, guys, so key points of performance. This is actually the first thing that you need to become aware of before you start doing V-ups, tuck-ups, or anything in any core-related exercise, because if you can't master this position, then you're gonna have a hard time and you'll feel a lot more pressure on your back than you need to. The first thing that you need to become aware of is your spinal position. I want you to practice with your arched back, and then without moving anything, tuck and roll your pelvis. Arch your back, tuck and roll your pelvis. That's phase one, being able to rotate the pelvis down. After you've mastered that, I want you to tuck and roll and then bring your chin to your chest. Tuck and roll, chin to chest. And now you can see that I'm beginning to get this flat back without any arching. If I had something here, you can't get through, as opposed to this. Why don't you think about simple? This equals back pain, this equals core getting stronger. Back pain, core getting stronger. All right, so rotate the pelvis, chin to chest. Next phase is knees up, 90 degrees over the hips. Pelvis, chin to chest, 90 degrees here. Now that we're into the position, you look like kind of like a dead bug on your back. I want you to think about not hands up here. I want you to think about reaching up as high as you can, and that's what's really going to engage your core. The back is still staying flat. I'm reaching here, and that's getting me big time already. So pelvis is the number one thing that has to happen. The upper back is reaching, and then here's two things I want you to think about. As you inhale, I want you to make your knees touch together and pinch. So inhale, you're gonna pinch and press. Exhale, you're gonna reach. Inhale, press. Exhale, reach. Inhale, press the knees. Exhale, reach. When you're able to really strengthen your core, you're gonna help prevent back pain. And don't just think about reaching higher here. You gotta engage your adductors as well so you can get the lower abdomen. That's the dead bug. Get after it.